All right, guys, we got our end of the 9 weeks awards. It's going to take a little while because we did really, really well. Okay, so be good. We'll get through it. When your name's called, come down and get it. I'm going to go, Miss Simpson, Miss Marshall, and then we have special awards at the end. Okay? All right, so the first one that we have, this is for AB Honor Roll for the fourth 9 weeks. Chris Dunn. We have AB Honor Roll for the fourth 9 weeks. Selena. Miss Jackie Hamlin. We're going to come over this one so people can see you on the camera. Okay? All right, good job, honey. Miss Kelsey May. Mr. Trevor May. All right, I got Mr. Noah Norman, but I don't believe he's here today. Okay, I got Mr. Jacob Sova. I got Mr. Aiden Cooper. All right, I got Mr. Gunnar Dillon. Gunner's not here. Did he leave early then? Okay. All right, I got Miss Jaslyn Hildebrandt. I got Miss Chloe Kinzer. I got Miss Riley Kirkbride. I got Miss Sophia Myers. Mr. Jackson Smith. I have Miss Kate. Hold on, buddy. All right, I have Miss Peyton Wurzbach. I have Mr. Noah Pittenger. I have Mr. Isaiah Kubak. I have Miss Braylon Tello. I have Mr. Brennan Eisen. I have Mr. Jeremiah Glass. I have Miss Kylie Dunn. I have Mr. Caleb Baker. I have Mr. Xavier Adib. Are we going to run through now?
Okay, so for all A honor roll for the fourth 9 weeks, Connor Given, Lainey Shaw, Haley Croft, James Thompson, Curly Smith, Michaela Tennant, Kane Scott, Jace Cobb, Aiden Gephardt, Carter Elliott, Claire Allen, and last but not least, Christian Seymour. All right, everybody.
Okay, I got perfect attendance up here. First one I got Xavier Adiva. Braylon Kello. Noah Pittenger. Perfect attendance as well, Aiden Gephardt. I got one for Jaslyn. Miss Jaslyn, where you at? Chloe Kinzer. Perfect attendance, fourth 9 weeks, Sophia Myers. Another perfect attendance, fourth 9 weeks, Jackson Smith. Peyton, Miss Peyton, where you at? Congratulations. Haley Crowd. All right, I got I got perfect attendance for the entire school year. Chloe Spencer. Very good job, young lady.
Chloe. Here we go. Carefree Award presented to Jackson Smith for having a happy and carefree attitude. Cracker Jack Award for being a prize student, Jace Hawks. Gaslin Hildebrand. Cracker Jack Award for being a prize student, Mr. Aiden Cooper. Cracker Jack Award for being a prize student, Mr. Kane Scott. The next one is called Kit Kat Award for helping out and giving our classmates a break, Harley Smith. Kit Kat Award for helping out and giving our classmates a break, Chloe Kinzer. Kit Kat Award for helping out and giving our classmates a break, Aiden Gephardt. Bubblicious Award for having a bubbly, happy attitude is Claire Allen. Having a bubbly, happy attitude, Carter Elliott. Having a bubbly and happy attitude, Bubblicious, Michaela Kenneth. The Ditto Honey Award for being a student who is sweet as honey, Mr. James Thompson. Sophia Myers. Bit of honey for being sweet as honey, Miss Peyton Worsball. Carefree Award for having a happy and carefree attitude, Levi Clark. And the last one is a Carefree Award for having a happy and carefree attitude, Miss Briley Kirkcott.
So the Skittles Award goes to Gavin Combs for creating colorful, creative masterpieces of art. Ava Woods, Starburst Award for being a classroom superstar. Trevor May, Milky Way Award for being an out-of-this-world scientist. Kelsey May, Miss Goodbar Award for being a good, kind friend. Connor Gibbon, M&M Award for being marvelous and magnificent. Connor May, the Rolo Award for showing us how to roll with change during difficult days. Haley Crouch, Crunch Award for working hard and coming through in a crunch. Jacob Sova, Mr. Goodbar Award for being a good, kind friend. Tanner Cox, Cracker Jack Award for being a prize student. Jacqueline Hamlin, Snickers Award for being a class act giggler. Riley Cooper, Vidal's Honey Award for being a student who is as sweet as honey. Carly Fowler, Kit Kat Award for helping out and giving your classmates a break. Reese's Pieces Award, Lainey Shaw, because you know just how to put the pieces of a problem together. Chris Dunn, Jolly Neutral Award for having a jolly, positive attitude. Branson Lee Master, the Gobstoppers Award for being gobs and for doing gobs and gobs of great learning this year. And Selena Gomez, Crackle Award for cracking the code and solving some really tough problems.
I got a Gummy Bear Award for being as lovable as a sweet little bear for Taylor Adkins. I've got a Tootsie Pop Award for sharing your poppin' good energy with us just when we need it for Xavier Diva. Alright, I got a Skittles Award for creating colorful, creative masterpieces of art for James Taylor. I have a Cracker Jack Award for being a prize student for Jeremiah Gregg. I also have a Fast Break Award for having extra fast math skills for Brennan Eisen. I have a Bit of Honey Award for being a student who is as sweet as honey for Monica Lambert. I have a Milky Way Award for being an out-of-this-world scientist for Isaiah Krivak. A Junior Mints Award because you are a mint for something great for Noah Pittenger. Twizzlers Award for your ability to untwist and solve difficult problems, Kylie Dunn. A Miss Goodbar Award for being a good, kind friend for Michaela Justice. I got a M&M Award for being marvelous and magnificent for Graylin Kellogg. A Three Musketeers Award for being a great teammate and friend for Christian Seymour. And last but not least, a Carefree Award for having a happy and carefree attitude, Kayla Baker.